Hello, hi, and welcome to the very first episode of my YouTube channel. I've always wanted to say that, so this is very exciting for me. If you've been following me on Instagram, you'll know that I've been thrifting around Pretoria and I've been showing you guys the spots around there. But today I wanted to do something different. I wanted to show you one of the very first places where I actually started thrifting. Even though I actually haven't been here in a minute, I haven't been here this year. I think I was probably here maybe last year. And also just so you can see what the resellers go through to get the stock to you guys on your screens. If you've heard anything about thrifting in Johannesburg, you will know that you need to be alert. And I'm here to tell you the exact same thing. Please be alert. There are a lot of people just sitting around waiting to mug you. It's their job, their full-time one. So please be careful. Leave your valuables at home. Getting here is simple. You can obviously drive there or you can take the train. My student friends in Hatfield, you guys can take the train. You just get off at the very last stop of the train, which is Park Station. As you come out of the station, you literally just walk through it, and at the end of that, that's where the thrifting place starts. And if you are driving there, there's a few places where you can park safely. I want to use that term very loosely because we do live in South Africa. But one of the places I like to park at is at Park Station. So you literally want to just put that into your GPS and it'll take you to this parking. You park up here, you literally walk through the station and you're there. Treat this the same way you would when you go grocery shopping. Don't go hungry. Have a coffee, have a snack. Don't be grumpy. Take some cash with you. I like to put it in this cute little pouch so that it doesn't fall out of my pockets when I'm walking. And a lot of the vendors will actually allow you to send them e-wallets if you don't have cash, but I don't recommend that. You don't want to be walking around with your phone. And there's one of your first tips for the day. Don't do what I'm doing. Leave your phone behind. Don't thrift and vlog. Just shop in peace, guys. So you want to go down the escalators and you go straight up ahead. And then you literally get to the end and welcome to Thriftland. You have arrived. Here you are. This is where it starts. And you'll see right at the beginning that there's a lot of the thrifted things that are hanging. And they are stunning things. There's like so many really good quality jackets and pants. And one thing you need to know is usually if they are hanging, then they probably cost a little bit more. The ones in the beginning when you just walk in and they're all individually hung, those go for around 200, roughly 250, 300. The pants can go up to 250 roundabout. These denim jackets around 250 as well. These pads, I found so many cool ones. Zara, Pull and Bear. I think Pull and Bear is also part of the Inditex group. If you want to try on pants, what I did was I wore leggings underneath the track pants that I was wearing. So when I found the pants, I could just take off my track pants and then I still had leggings under and then I wore the pants over. So that's how you try them on. Look how cool these jackets are. So many stunning ones. These corduroy ones were going for around 250, 300. And these vintage ones around 250 as well. Very good quality ones, very warm. And this is now where you find the baskets, the bargain baskets. Usually they have a set price on them, like 50 Rand or 10 Rand, and anything that you find in these baskets are that price. And you can find really, really cool stuff. In my experience, the cheaper the basket, usually the more damaged the items are. So you will find one or two things that are good quality and not damaged, but the majority of the stuff in the cheaper ones usually have more issues. You really can find the most amazing things in these baskets, and this is why I will never stop thrifting, because you just don't know what you're gonna find. I found these cool genuine leather coats from this guy which were going for around 700 Rand and the jackets around 600, and these pants were 450. So that might seem like quite a bit, but if you're going in store for a leather jacket, sure, genuine leather, you can pay an arm and a leg. I also found a lot of really cool shoes. I found these Doc Martens. I actually tried them on and they were really cool, but I wasn't sure if they were genuine because the top was peeling but the sole was perfect. It did feel like real leather. It was genuine leather, but yeah, how can the sole be perfect? You know, was it not worn, but why is it peeling at the top? I wasn't sure. These Tims were really fresh. They were 1,200, I think. And then I found these. This was in a basket for 250. So anything in the basket was basically 250. And then I also found these socks. I have been looking for socks. I don't know about you, but I don't know why socks are costing the way they're costing. But yeah, these socks were really cool. They were 10 rand each and they were brand new. So they do have like a lot of brand new stuff. A lot of the things that come here are actually from European brands. That's where you find a lot of Zara, H&M. This guy had real fur items for about 450. I don't know if all of them were real, but the ones that I felt, you could feel like, no, this is real. Personally, really freaks me out. I'm not into that kind of stuff. But yeah, we were there for around 4 hours and we paid about 30 rand for parking. So it wasn't outrageous like airport parking. Take a friend, take 2, take 3, make a trip of it, have some fun. And yeah, just be safe. I took my husband, who I must thank because wow, he hates thrifting, and he went with me and had his phone out and everything. But I got so many nice things. I'm really excited about some of the things I got. I want to show you guys quickly some of them. This brown teddy coat thing, I love it. I'm going to keep this one for myself. I'm not going to sell it online. I got this for 100 rand. Crazy. And then this staple piece I've also been looking for the longest time. This was also 100, I think. And then this sweater was from a 60 rand basket. Really cool. And then this next one, it is so stunning. It's so warm. It's good quality. Got buttons and everything. But it does have a hole on the back. So these are the things to look out for. Luckily, I think I can fix that. This stunning blanket, I got it for 30 rand. It was actually in a pile on the floor, and I went through the pile and then I found this. So very happy with that. I got this jacket for my son. It was 50 rand and it's really warm. The zip works and everything. So those are things to check out for. Especially, you know, when it's in the bins, because there's more likely to be those. This is one of the only vintage jerseys I've got there. They don't have a lot of vintage stuff. So if you are looking for vintage, it's not necessarily the place, but they have a lot of good quality thing. Anything that you'd find in the mall, you will find there. I also got this t-shirt that was, I think, in the 20 rand bin, and it's really cool. It's a Notorious B.I.G. 95 tour. So very cool. I'm considering keeping it for myself, but I'll see if I put it up online. And then this top, I love it. You button it up, and then it's like a brown gingham top that you can just pair with some mom jeans and, you know, some glasses, and what a vibe. This was really cool. This is an XS, so I'm going to put this up online because it doesn't fit, but it's really cool. How cool are these colors? Just such a vibe. One thing you can also wear in winter and in summer because it's not very heavy, and obviously in winter you can layer it up very nicely. So this will go up online. And then this jacket, I also got it for my son. It was 50 rand as well, and it's insulated inside. So really, really good quality things that they have. You will easily pay 500 at Woolies for these jackets. So yeah, this top also really cute. It was, I think, 20 rand. And then these shorts I'm probably just gonna wear at home, but actually they're quite cool. Hey, would you wear these out? Let me know in the comments. And then this jacket, I love it. I've been looking for something like this, and it happens to be the perfect length, and it's corduroy. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one, but I like it a lot, so I'm gonna see if I sell it. I did find it at an amazing price of like 150, and it's really warm. This black one, this one is gonna go up online. It's a double XL, and it's like a pitch black suede jacket. Really cool. I think this one was also 150, if not 200, 150, 200 there. So yeah, really, really cool stuff that I found. And then the last bag, let me show you what's in here. This sweater, I love it. Cool color, cool cut. This I found for 40 rand. And then this flannel top, I actually got it for my husband. It was actually 170, and then I asked the guy for a discount, and I think he went down to 150. So that's something to do. If it's not a set price, not the ones who write the prices down, you usually can negotiate the prices, especially if it's later in the day. So the later you go, the more open they are to negotiating. They open quite early. You can go there from like 7 in the morning, and I think they close around 5ish, 4, 5. This jacket, really cool, and it's got like real down in it, the feathers and stuff, so it's very warm. It was actually the first thing that I found. That was 250. And then this hoodie, it was 60 rand. It's a small cut, 40. So I'm probably just gonna wear that to the gym. And then I also found this really cool jacket. This one and this floral one are gonna go up online on my website. And then this last one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell it because I like the colors, but I'm still deciding. For 60 rand, and it's really cute. It's got really cute details. I don't know if you can see the buttons. It's like this cute little egg shape. Really cute. I kept seeing this brand, it kept popping up. So if you like this George brand, you will find a lot of sweaters and stuff of them there. This sweater was also 60 rand, I think. And then I found lots of socks. They were brand new and they cost 10 rand each, which is a bargain if you've been looking for socks lately. But I won't resell these because then I'll be selling them for the same price that they are in stores. So yeah, I've also been struggling with finding small socks that are long. I don't know if anybody else can relate to these very specific problems. So this is my pile of laundry that I'm now going to go and wash. And here's my pro tip for you. Wash these things immediately before you try them on. They have been sitting in these bales for the longest time. They've collected so much dust. They've traveled the 7 seas to come to you. So just wash them, and then you can be sure that you're wearing nice and clean clothes. And one thing I wanted to mention was a lot of people come there wearing masks, and I think that's the smart thing to do, because you do come into contact with a lot of people. So even though we're not in COVID anymore, it's really the smart thing to do. Wear your mask when you go thrifting. And especially now we're in winter, so a lot of people are sick. So yeah, just something that I would be doing for sure. And you can find so many other things there that I didn't mention. You can find lots of bags, a lot of genuine leather stuff, accessories, and so much more. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next trip. Bye.